Wash your hands routinely on a regular basis in order to protect both yourself and your loved ones from getting sick and spreading germs. Let me walk you guys through the steps of how to wash your hands. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is rinse your hands and then actually turn off the sink. You can use hot or cold water to rinse your hands. Either one will do the job. Okay, after you've rinsed your hands and turned off the sink, then you want to scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you're not sure and you don't want to count, in your head you can just sing the alphabet, happy birthday, or the itsy bitsy spider. When you are washing your hands though, it's very important when you're scrubbing to make sure you get the front of both hands, the back of both hands, between your fingers, under your nails, as well as your wrist. A lot of times these places are forgotten. There's a lot of bacteria. Then you can turn the sink on while your hands are all lathered up and rinse your hands off. It doesn't matter if the water is hot or cold, either will do the job. Leave the water running. And then I want you to make sure that you clean any jewelry or watches that you may be wearing. Many times these items will carry bacteria. If you have a hair thing on your wrist, really make sure to clean this as well. Later, make sure that these items are removed and sanitized. So, with the water still running, dry your hands with a clean towel or a paper towel. You can also let your hands air dry. I want to stress again, if you're using a towel, make sure that the towel is very clean. Then turn off the sink and open the door with a clean towel or a paper towel. If you forget this step, your hands will be dirty again. Many times, people forget to do this. When should you actually wash your hands? There are a lot of different times that sometimes we don't consider or think about. It's really important to know exactly when you need to wash your hands. So, whenever you're around food, you need to wash your hands both before you eat and after you eat, before you prepare food, and sometimes even while you're preparing food, if you cut meat or anything like that, and then after you prepare food again. You need to wash your hands whenever you're around someone that is sick. Even if you haven't touched the person, it's still important to make sure that you wash your hands. You can use sanitizer when you're there and then use soap and water when you're able to. You have to wash your hands after you blow your nose, you cough, or you sneeze. Or if you're around someone after they blow their nose, if they cough, or if they sneeze, germs can be passed both ways. If you're going to be around animals, you'll need to wash your hands as well. If you're feeding animals, whether you touch their food or their treats, if you touch any animals, or if you pick up after them, it's a very important thing to do. Anytime you touch trash, taking out the trash, or even just clearing the table after a meal with dirty dishes, you need to make sure to go wash your hands. All of these are sources to pass germs and to have bacteria. I'm really glad you guys came by. If you have questions, as always, please comment down below. I'm happy to answer any of your hand washing questions today. Thanks for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. New videos are posted every single week. Thanks, guys. Have a good day. Stay safe and healthy.